We turn now to that developing news in an alleged murder spree out of Laredo. Tonight, a Border Patrol agent is under arrest. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez tells us 4 women were killed.
On Labor Day weekend, a woman's body was discovered in a remote part of Laredo. This week, again, another female body was found in the same area. Isidro Alaniz, Webb County District Attorney, said a pattern slowly emerged.
Well, with the first two murders, there were some similarities, but obviously things began to become more clear as each murder took place. And the MO and the way the bodies were discarded and where the injuries were and the type of people they were. So, things started to match up that we did have a serial killer.
The spree was confirmed this morning. At 1 a.m., a woman escaped the grasp of her kidnapper. She sought safety with a law enforcement officer. Information she provided during interrogation led officers to Juan David Ortiz. Authorities found him at a gas station. Ortiz fled. He was caught at a nearby parking lot. At 2 a.m., Webb County Sheriff's Office and DPS investigators found a third female victim. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, they found a 4th woman. District Attorney Eleni says there were similarities between the crimes.
I do believe that these were people of the street, either engaging in or in some sort of prostitution. It seems that he was seeking out his victims, targeting his victims, and that they were killed in a similar fashion, and their bodies disposed of in similar fashion. So it has all the indicators of being a serial murder spree.
Eleni says Ortiz is a 10-year veteran with Border Patrol. This is the first time his office simultaneously handles 2 homicide investigations involving Border Patrol agents. The other case involves an agent accused of killing a woman and their child in April.
It's very unusual that something like this happens, especially around the same time. We're currently still prepping on the other capital murder case, and now we have a multiple murder case with this agent. So unfortunate that that's the situation. I don't think it's any reflection on Border Patrol.
Alaniz believes Ortiz to be a dangerous suspect. He said he'll be asking a judge to keep Ortiz behind bars.
Border Patrol released a statement today reading in part, "Our sincerest condolences go out to the victim's family and friends. While it is CBP policy to not comment on the details of an ongoing investigation, criminal action by our employees is not and will not be tolerated. The Texas Rangers and Webb County Sheriff's Office are investigating."
Oh, all right. At the library, going to the library from Santa Fe Park. The library hours are 3 to 6. I really like it. It looks isolated, except for the dog and the loud Mexican music. I like it. I think I could put up with both. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get there, but it's such a maze to get there. I got my little map on Google Maps. Jesus. Exiting here is something else. What if all my drives were going backwards? Wouldn't that be a lot of fun? I hope I don't want to hit anything. No glass, no motorized vehicles. This park is just a little too annoying, but now I gotta weigh the options. Do I want to put up with a dog and that Mexican music? Oh my god. It looks like it might be nice. Oofda. Okay. Oh, there's so many loose dogs. That's that loose dog I was scared of. There he is again. Hundreds of dogs around here. All right, I'm gonna left it. I'm not getting directions, and this shouldn't turn off. 10-0. All right. It's pretty. It's following me good. My blue dot car. All right, yeah, It's so many. It's just so complicated. If I was a migrant trying to escape into the U.S. through here, it'd be a big challenge getting around these streets. Okay, yes, I want to go on Lugo. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't want you turning down. All right, I'll be taking a right onto Soria. Oh, Ambuline. Is that a loose dog? Another loose dog. Ambuline? They actually look like an ambulance. They're called Ambuline. A-M-B-U-L-I-N-E. Line. These dogs, they don't bark at cars so much. They'll certainly alert the cars. Dog activity. Okay, yeah, this comes down to I don't recall any curves. Maybe that's a curve. It doesn't really show a curve on the map. Okay, it's just a very slight one. All right, so this is the T intersection coming up, and then I want to continue. I'm on Soria, Las Secretarias, left stop. Oh, and then a right onto Prada Machine. It's kind of a big road. Ooh, okay. Oh God, I hope this is correct. Okay, and then, oh, I'm pressing buttons. Escape. A left before, okay, it'd be up there, and then a right, okay. A left before the park. A left on Pompianoa, or no, Castro Urdiantes. There are two separate roads, left and right. All right, and now paying attention for the right turn. Yeah, ooh. These people who live here got to know their turns. Yeah, I kind of wish I had a better holder for the cell phone now. It's pretty helpful. Ooh. Express branch right here. Somebody's here? Oh my God, what did I just hit? It's like I climbed the curb. So this is the parking lot. I don't know. Is this a house? It looks like this is the parking. Somebody's just kind of parked over there. All right. Well, I'll take this. Whatever. Poochie sees me drive in and get out of my car, and he looks friendly. But when he saw me walk up the stairs, he went hysterical. That dog knows how to look for illegals. So I'm giving the dogs my smoked oysters. I don't want to eat those. He seems like he's okay with it. Booty, you're gonna walk off with them? I thought he was gonna eat them here. He's running off with them. Gotta stay at his guard duty station, I guess. I gotta pick that up later though. I'm just sitting here next to the Rio Grande, which is down below over there, waiting for my future bride to cross. Alright, I was able to cook some potatoes, and now I want to sieve them out and use that water to cook some of this cornmeal, this stone ground, with that water. Potatoes and corn seem to go well together, and the corn seems to just explode when it ferments. They both ferment pretty good, so it's good to do a lot and then ferment what I can't finish. All right, I'm adding basil right after the cooking. Let that soak in. Alright, so that guy alerted. I looked back on that video because I looked away as I was recording a little bit, and I see that he turned his head towards me. He heard me, but he was sleeping when I walked by to go to the bathroom, and then I come back through and I see him still sleeping, so I decided to record him. His buddy saw me, but I'm like, parks and maintenance have been a thorn in my side very often, very frequently. For like camping and stuff. They've called the cops on me a few times, so it doesn't really, I don't feel any regrets pointing out their inconsistencies as well. I'm further adding a fermented onion, a whole big onion. I'm cut up now in here, and gonna let that sour up my corn. Also, just a little cayenne pepper, just for the fun of it. Let me just say too, corn tends to bring like a rosiness to my cheeks. I feel like a nice facial flush that's actually welcoming, not like the nasty facial flush from breathing in propane afterburner. And it's similar to getting a sunburn. I got sunburnt yesterday, but the feeling is very similar. So maybe corn can help with sunburns. I like to frequently pound these things and just feel the shake. When they're properly put in, they vibrate pretty good when you hit them. Alright, this is such a small library. I just hung out in there for 3 hours. I was the only person, I'm sure. I was the only person, no, without a doubt. And they're only open 3 hours a day. I parked here all day. I thought it was... Whoa, there's that dog. It's a German Shepherd. It's a very weird library. They fenced it all off. Wow. Some kind of concession stand on both sides. So they fence it off. I can only come back here when they're open. Bunch of corn husks. Okay. Yeah, they fenced it off. Unique library. It's more. It's like they turn a gondola into a library. What the hell? That guy was speeding as a black dude. He was speeding on the end and going in. He went in a circle over that way. It's very active. He's like, this is my park. I gotta look at everybody closely. Give them the eye, too. Make sure you make eye contact with everybody in the park. It's not as much about watching the river. It's about making sure that this area is well eyeballed. Alright, he's coming back down. He saw somebody pull into the parking lots and then take off.
All right, man?
What do you mean?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Again?
Say it again? What?
Okay?
Are you okay?
I am, sir. Back to your question. You good?
Are you good?